Boom! Right here we have the Hummingbird solar panel wind chime. So you have a solar panel at the top right here, and then you have a switch that turns it on off. When you turn it on, then as long as it has no light from the sun, then these things will turn on and light up really beautiful. During the day, because there's light from the sun, it will turn off the lights and charge the internal battery. Very cool, easy to hang up. We got this wind chime with these birds. Let me turn off the lights so you can see a little bit better how this thing looks at night when the lights are on. With the lights off, you can see the hummingbirds in action right there. Beautiful hummingbirds, right? And they do have a nice glow to them. Close up, you can see they do change colors. You see this one is now red and it's now green. There we go. And they'll change colors in a little bit. See, now it's turning to a purple color, and that's true for all the hummingbirds on this line right here, and they all are kind of in a little spiral pattern. The hummingbird solar solution right there, and look at the details of each hummingbird. Just nice simple design. It looks really good, right? There we go. Oh yeah, the hummingbirds.